guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new and you enjoy watching unboxings of all sorts of monthly subscription boxes, skin product reviews, some travel and adventure at time, you are more than welcome to come and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you join me. And if you aren't already subscribed, then woohoo, welcome back, my beautifuls. I am back with this amazing monthly subscription box, guys. Last month was my first unboxing and I'm like obsessed with this box. I loved everything and I have actually used every single item that I received in this box from last month. I have no idea what's inside for this month. This is the October box and this is the 180 degree box, and it says relax, heal, enjoy, and breathe. And like I said last month in my previous video, I love the color of the box. Look how pretty it is. Woo-hoo. It's just like a gift. It's decorated just as a gift package for you. You can keep this for yourself, guys. You can gift this. Now that Christmas is coming, this will be such an amazing Christmas gift. I truly love this box. And enough said. I will leave you guys everything that you need to know on the description box down below, so you guys can go ahead and start receiving this amazing box. With that said, guys, let's get started. And woo, look at all this. I'm already excited. Again, I have no idea what's in here. So we have a relax, heal, breathe, enjoy. So this is a little thank you card. Woo, so it says thank you for doing self-care with 180 degree box. This box is full of nothing but self-love, self-care, and discovery. Woo. So what do we have? Ooh, we have some stickers. You got this. And honey, your soul is golden. Love it. I will use that for my scrapbooking. So this is a pamphlet, but this will be like my information card. Ooh, and we have a word search back here. For the theme for this for October, it is the golden hour. 180 degree box here. Everything that is inside the box, guys, is actually listed here with a brief description. Love it. And remember, I am going to leave a link of last month's video because it was so awesome that if you have not watched that video, I really encourage you to go, after you're done watching this video, go ahead and take a look at that video, because it is going to convince you to go ahead and sign up for this box. This box is like one of my favorite boxes at this point. Look how pretty this is. So it says golden hour, 180 degree box. I hate ripping these out because they just look so pretty, but we need to get to the box, so I don't have a choice. Okay. Ooh, look at all this, guys. All right. Ooh, so the first item that I pulled out this wonderful box, it's tangy turmeric, and it's some chips. It's gluten-free vegan, and they're water lily pops. Ooh, I cannot wait to try these. You are what you eat. That is so true. Okay, let's see if, because sometimes like some items, they go with something else, so we're just gonna set that to the side for now. And I am going to, before I give you a brief description of that, just want to make sure it's not connected with something else. So next up we have, it's a better way to be well, and this is a Go Live. It's from Go Live, Live and Active. So it's a probiotic and prebiotic supplement mix. Oof, and it brings 5 packets in there, and it is for all ages. That is so awesome. So you mix, you enjoy, and you repeat. Ooh, ooh. Next up is going. Ooh, I really need these. Look at me. I did not do my nails, guys. So I will be using these like after I'm done with this video. So this is going to be, these are some nail wraps. I can't speak. Nail wraps, and they are just so pretty. I love. Oops. I love the color. I want to see if I can, ugh. I want to take them out because in the plastic you can't really see. Ooh, and it brings everything that you need to, look at that. Oh, they're so pretty. I love them and they go so well with my skin tone. The nails, guys. Let's do a brief description of the nails. So it's the Masori manicure nail set. It gets stylish with these at-home manicure. See, that's easy to use and will add some glam to your golden hour. I agree with that. Next up we have, ooh, so this is a knitted cashmere daylight candle. So this is going to be the Kringle candle. So it's a knitted cashmere, is a fresh yet soft silky scent with warm suede and lily of the valley woven with warm patchouli, chestnut, and white woods. Ooh, ooh. And it smells so nice. Look at this. Oh my god, it smells so nice. Okay, next up we have, ooh, we have the red velvet bag. Last month, oh, it was so pretty what we received. Let's see what we have this month. Ooh, there's 2 items here, guys. So we have, ooh, peach blossom. But look how pretty it is. I love this. This is going in my bag. And we have, oh my goodness, look at this. So pretty. Look at that, guys. Look at all the bling. So beautiful. Love this. Oh my god. I love this. It's so pretty. Okay, next up, guys, we have, ooh, we have a refresh sweet vanilla dry shampoo. Ooh, and it is huge. Look at this. It is huge, guys. Can't wait to use this. So this here, guys, the dry shampoo is going to be refresh sweet vanilla dry shampoo. It is going to refresh any day, anytime, and be bathe ready with this dry shampoo. It's a fast absorbing powder to soak up and eliminate oil, sweat, and odor. This formula cleanses the hair, is going to leave it looking and feeling refreshed. No dusty white residue, just revitalized touchable hair, which is so good because I have used some dry shampoos that will leave your hair white, and I do not like those. Next up, guys, this box is full of goodies. I am seriously obsessed with this box. Yes, I said it. Okay, so next up we have something from Dr. Botanicals, and it's an LM Rescue Butter Lemon Superfood all-in-one rescue butter. Just repeats itself. Okay, so it's vegan, cruelty free. So let's check this out. Ooh. So Dr. Botanical Rescue Butter. It's a convenient and versatile. This multi-purpose lemon butter is designed to nourish those stubborn areas of dry skin that you can't seem to shift. This moisturizer combines shea butter, almond oil, coconut oil, and lemongrass for an ultra hydrating treatment wherever you need it the most. Ooh, so it's an all-in-one. Love this. So next up, you know what? Let me tell you a little bit. So this month's charm was your gold. It was the golden necklace. That's what it was. Next up, we have Nature's Bakery. It's a fig bar. Ooh, blueberry. I love these. Oh, they're so delicious. If you have not tried like any of these, like they have like different flavors, they're like the best. Like they're like so good. This one, guys, is going to be a snack attack fix, I believe. So this is going to be 2 powerful, delicious fix for the day. Tangy turmeric pops, which are the chips. Okay, and then we have, will be your go-to on any given day. This flavor is complemented by the natural health benefits of turmeric, making them both tasty and healthy. Real ripped blueberries, figs, and wholesome whole wheat make this homemade recipe the perfect boost to fuel the phenomenal. And it's going to relax, so just relax and enjoy in any golden hour. Can't wait to try these. So next up we have another item from Dr. Botanicals, and it is a body moisturizer. And this is it's moisturizing blueberry. It's superfood antioxidant body moisturizer. It's going to provide your skin with essential hydration, penetrating deeply to encourage long lasting and softness. Both fruits have high concentrations of vitamin C and E, which aim to naturally help remove dead surface cells and stimulate new ones. Ooh. Here we go. Ooh. Oh my God, it smells so nice too. I wish you guys can smell all this stuff because everything smells so nice. Okay, so next up, guys, ooh, which is, I believe it's my last item. Oh, no, I'm telling you, this box is full of stuff. So we have something from Gypsy Soul Organics, and it's a clean skincare and simple and organic. Let's check this out. So this is a face toner, guys. Refreshing and hydrating formula that purifies, detoxifies, and tones your skin. This unique formula helps skin maintain its essential moisture to keep it soft and smooth. It's going to protect your collagen. It's going to plump. It's going to brighten, exfoliate, and hydrate. Formulated from cactus flower extract, prickly pear seed oil, and aloe vera leaf to keep your skin quench even under dry conditions. Woo. Sounds perfect. And you guys know I will be using that. So my last item, guys, this box is like so full of goodies. I love this box. It's going to be this here. So this is a vegan leather cross body bag. Ooh. It's compact, it's convenient, it's perfect, and I love the color. Guys, this vegan leather crossbody bag is like everything right now. Look at the color. It is so soft. I wish you guys can just touch this. It's super nice. The size is perfect. The storage inside is great. I love vegan leather, and especially this crossbody bag. It's just so pretty. Guys, make sure that you are following me on Instagram, my subscription obsession. That way you guys will be able to see awesome content and opportunities for giveaways. With that said, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys back soon with a different unboxing video soon. Bye, guys.